As an IT manager, you are probably aware that many of your company's commercial and operational activities rely on IT infrastructure that is under your responsibility. So in many ways, you are responsible for day-to-day operational costs, and the business relies on you for its revenues. So if, for example, there was a technical malfunction that causes your sales center's CRM service to stop working, each second your team takes to fix it lowers your business reputation and causes major revenue losses. To that, you can add the time and cost of finding out which of the thousands of elements in the infrastructure are directly impacting the malfunction and what would be the quickest way to fix it. And finally, you can add the frustration of knowing that the whole problem could have been avoided had someone paid attention to the company's redundancy policy and saw that the service architecture did not comply with it. What a shame there was no hot backup system in place. So what can be done to ensure business continuity and save on costs? Welcome to HP Universal CMDB, an accessible, simple, and intuitive configuration management system for everyone, allowing you to perform even the most complicated analysis in an instant, saving time and money for you and your organization. With HP Ucmdb, you can easily define your own service models, which establish how infrastructure components relate to the business services and applications in your organization. After creating a business application, you can link it to other entities, such as databases, network devices, web servers, and others. You can then save your model so your team can use it later on to monitor and control the IT landscape from a business perspective. Once your service models are in place, all discovered configuration items are automatically linked to the business layer. So for example, you can now check your application's policy widget and use the Ucmdb Configuration Manager to find any compliance issues. In our example, we see that there is a geographical redundancy issue. By going to the Environment widget, we see the two databases in question. Checking the first one shows us its geographical location, and visiting the second database shows us a similar location. We can now easily fix the issue by removing the second database, searching for another one which is in a different location, and adding it to our service model in its place. The redundancy policy is now satisfied. That's it. You're done setting up. In an instant, life becomes much easier. You can lean back and relax, since your application can now get the relevant attention from your employees. In any case of malfunction, your help desk personnel can leverage HP BSM and their Ucmdb-based runtime service models enriched with the operational status of all resources to quickly understand what is wrong and why. In our example, the sales CRM is down. The engineer assigned to solve the incident uses the Ucmdb browser to conduct basic root cause analysis, looking at the service models and other contextual information. He looks at the Incidents widget and sees the cause is a Windows malfunction. The History widget displays what changes to the Windows server may have caused the incident, so he can now resolve the issue. In only a few short minutes, your team has understood and solved a potentially severe incident that could have caused financial damages. Revenue loss and operational costs are saved. And even more importantly, since the redundancy policy you came across when defining the application was implemented, the incident took place while the backup system was working. So your sales users were able to continue using your services while the help desk was fixing it. Using the Ucmdb, you instantly analyzed the problem, easily accessed the relevant data in order to find out what was causing it, and avoided many other potential problems by building your topology in the best way possible, saving on operational costs and ensuring the continuity of your business. All that's left for you to do now is to take credit for being quick and efficient, saving costs, and preventing revenue loss for your organization. You have to admit, it's much better than before, isn't it? HP Ucmdb. CMS for everyone.